Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Halor ke jinglait phet ki koidi na patok jong ka jowai ka kenhun o I love you talang ka sorkar jala kalathung da ka jing to kit magistrate bat ka jing to kit balaj loy layatu uma lakmen ramboy u badai mentry kampo yeng hakador ba sunrai ka blalong menta ka sngi ka khat atrik unai lur habawan ra ya ka SOU Moto statement hapo ka ying dorbar u mentry kampo ying gajala ulaong ba u district magistrate u PK Boro ulaptha u additional district magistrate ka West Janta Hills u PK Boro panpenlong ya ka magisterial inquiry halor kani ka jingphet jongki koidi ulaong ru ba ulapente balaptha ru ya u additional superintendent of police ka West Janta Hills district panpenlong ya ka jingtokit balajloy halor ki daw bat ki ai ke blaja blalam chakani ka jinglai phet Jongkini koidi lathungru ya ka MA Chalan additional district magistrate panpenlong ya ka postmortem ya ki sautli ki medyap jongki koidi basha bomyap nin kasngi ublai hasang pung kani kalarai bat kalami tang shisngi hadin baki saungut naki henrengut ki koidi kala sha bomyap haki pajbhur ha ka wei ka jaka khlaw ba marjan bat kashnong shangpung West Chantahil district ulakmen ramboy ulaong ro baka jingyo jingtip ka kenhun ki pulit kilalet syakatika jaka bakaja henry kim syam lala bantem satya nekhang ya ki pajbhur bakin sim ya ka jingiem jongkini ki koidi henin kasngi ublei pajbhur ki badon kumbasan hajar ngut na kishnong bapher kilakthong ya kini ki koidi bad yo bat ya ki ha ka wei ga jaka khlaw ba marjan jong kashnong shangpung ka kenhun ki pulit kila persyang banyakren bat penjajai ki pajbhur henry ha ka poi penban syaka jingpen ibor hadu babun ki pulit kila mensau bat na ka kenhun jengki pulit kila yo ban shimti barra ya ki saungut ki koidi ba mensau jur na kani ka jaka Shasibel hostel da kajing ajing bet jong magistrate badon lang kini ki saungut ki koidi ki blasha bomyap kidei u I love you talang badai na kashnong murap ulo destartang ushidor ki dekhar na thangrang bad umar san ki taryang u badai na kashnong priang ya kini ki sautli ki medyap labu hakajaka bu medyap jong ka civil hostel shuwa kani umentri ula pentip bakatanat prison kala register da ka criminal case persya ki sangut ki nong tre jong kani ka patok ki baken thop yu rajeswer ubadai u head warden chamilan kenjing warden damila hunsun temporary warden pendabor bamon warden bat u alexiar lautam ubadai u temporary warden namar kani ka jinglat phet jong kini ko koidi na kani ka patok
128/34 of IPC was registered against 5 prison staff, namely Rajeswar Head Warden, Sri Chamilan Kenjing Warden, Sri Dame Lahun Sun Temporary Warden, Sri Pendabor Bamon Warden, and Sri Alexius Yauram Temporary Warden, which subsequently been arrested. Following the escape, all police units in the district were alerted on the escape of under trial prisoner and a convict, and subsequently search operations were commenced by all police units and a special team from district. Here on prior notice was submitted to the Special Superintendent of Police CID Mekria Shillong for circulation to all districts. On 11 September 2022, a mob of around 5,000 plus villagers from different unknown villages made a hot pursuit of 4 below noted escaped prisoners and converged into a forested area away from Shangpung village in West Giant Hills. On received information, the police team proceeded to the place of occurrence but was vehemently prevented by unruly mob. Police team tried to negotiate and confront the mob to proceed to the place of occurrence to prevent an attack of which our 4 escapee. However, after much confrontation with the mob, to the effect many policemen got injured. The police team managed to retrieve and remove 4 unconscious escapees from the place of occurrence to civil hospital with the permission of magistrate on duty. However, on reaching the hospital, it was declared by the medical officer that all 4 of them have been brought dead. The 4 diseases are 1. Shri I Love You Talang, son of Shri Bijoy Tarian, resident of Murab village, Juai police station. B. Shri Lodestar Tang, son of Srimati Maris Tang, resident of Mutershia village. C. Shri Shidor Kidkhar, son of Shri Ramsten, resident of Thangrang village. D. Shri Marsan Kitarian, son of Shri Novel Pasa, resident of Priang village, Juai police station. All the four dead bodies were presently kept and morgue in civil hospital Yalong. The unreal prisoner who escaped the mob lynching is suspected to be Shri Ramesh Khar, and the person who is not in the group is Shri Rikman Lang Lamare, and the whereabouts of the two at present is still unknown, and the police is on the lookout for them and on high alert. The additional superintendent of police Western Hills is entrusted to conduct the independent inquiry into the reason and circumstance linked to escape. The district magistrate has directed Sri P.K. Buro, MCS, additional deputy magistrate, Western Hills, to conduct judicial inquiry into the matter of jailbreak, and Sri M.A. Shalam, MCS additional district magistrate, is hereby deputed to conduct inquest on the four bodies of the escaped prisoner. I just want to add one more line, sir. Regarding this incident, through this August House, through you, sir, I request each and every citizen of the state not to take the law into their hand and cooperate with the law enforcing agencies so that this type of thing should not happen. Let the law take its own course.